Well, it's a beautiful snow day here in Tokyo, Japan. I'm with the next generation volcano and storm chaser here, Luke, and we're out and about seeing what's going on and enjoying the snow, as are the other local kids. That looked painful. So I'm just at one of the major ring roads around Tokyo, and it's a bit of a mess. The cops have closed off this overpass because a lot of vehicles can't get up the hill. Traffic in the other direction isn't moving very fast. Yeah, the road system in Tokyo tonight is not faring very well, which is to be expected. So I'm in one of the parks near my house, which is an absolute winter wonderland right now. A couple of the local girls have just built this awesome snowman, and I'm gonna go over here, just give you an idea of how deep this snow is. I'm gonna jump in there and see how deep it really is. Let's have a look, see if I fall over. Yep, I fell over, and the snow is pretty deep here. Fun times.